Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Google service you no longer need. So once you're inside your Google account and you sign into Google, just click your profile in the upper right hand side, click and manage your Google account. Now you want to go ahead and click data and privacy on the left hand side. And here you want to scroll all the way down, guys, to where you'll find the section that says download or delete your data. Now you will see there are two options: how to download your data and how to delete a Google service. So simply click on that option to delete a Google service, and now you have the option to delete any one of those Google service you no longer need. So if you look towards the right hand side, you will see that there is a bin icon. I can choose to download the YouTube, or I can even choose to download the Gmail, right? So if you go ahead and click, for example, delete YouTube as an example, you will see that it comes up and it says I want to permanently delete blah blah blah, and yeah, that's how you basically do that. So you want to go ahead and use this option, guys. So go ahead and follow those steps and you'll be able to delete that specific service.